All right, guys, there you have it. You just witnessed an experiment crossing the Weber Smoky Mountain with live fire grilling using the Titan kettle style attachment. And let me just tell you, the results were awesome. There's a lot to learn. This is just the first test cook, and there's a lot more to learn. But I'm happy with what I was able to prove out. And the proof of concept is right here. Now, for this general experiment, this is actually 2 in 1. I'm actually doing another experiment with this experiment, which is I'm taking these ribs to finish, and then I'm going to cryo vacuum, or actually I'm going to vacuum seal them, throw them in the freezer, and I want to find out in a month when I bring them back to life, how good are they? So that's why you see these ribs. They don't have no sauce on them, nothing like that. They're just ready to go in the vacuum seal bag and then placed in the freezer. And then I'm going to find out in 1 month if they still taste phenomenal, if they still taste awesome, or it's just not worth doing it. And, you know, for whatever reason you would need to ever do that, whether you want to make something today in bulk and put them in the freezer and use it and bring it out whenever the hell you want to. But it's something I'm curious about. So that's that.